Hello everyone, today we're at the clubhouse in Dubai Hills Estate. I'm right at the golf course of this beautiful community. What really impresses me here are the beautiful villas right on the golf course. Massive villas. And what's even more impressive is the view to the downtown on Burj Khalifa. So obviously when it comes to villas here in Dubai Hills Estate, we have a nice variety of different types of villas. We've got 4, 5 and 6 bedroom, completely independent villas right on a golf course with perfect size, perfect location. And to top all that out, we have 7 bedroom mansions. These are up to 30,000 square feet in size, 3 levels with the terrace obviously, right on a golf course as well. And the best thing is, it comes shell and core. This is amazing because you get to design it the way you want inside. And now we're in a 2-bedroom apartment. This is a show apartment actually here in Dubai Hills Estate. And what I really like about this apartment is the size. It's almost 1,100 square feet in size. Another thing that caught my attention, which I like as well, are these massive windows, which is going to bring a lot of natural light coming in to the apartment. This is also a door that gives you the access to the outside balcony. This balcony is going to be overlooking the park that you have in Dubai Hills Estate. What's important to mention here as well is the amount of living space that you get for a 2-bedroom apartment. You've got almost 200 square feet in living space inside this living room area. Emaar did actually a really good job structuring these layouts. You've got an open kitchen design, the dinette area, dining table. What I really like here is the double door fridge size that you can have in this apartment, which is obviously not available in many apartments. The finishing on the cabinets is in light oak wood material, underlight cabinets, marble backsplash, and ceramic floors. Doesn't get any better than that. And inside the bedrooms here, I could say they're pretty fair in size. You get to put your own king size bed. We've got enough space to put your night dressers, obviously. You can put a larger vanity here and a smaller couch. You have enough space to get ready in the morning. And obviously you've got a walk-in area here where you have the closets, double sink bathroom with a stand-up shower, and the larger windows here are going to be bringing in all the natural light in the morning, obviously. And that's all what I need really. You know, it doesn't get any better than that for an appropriate, convenient size 2-bedroom. There are so much open greenery space in this community that you'll actually start wondering, where am I in Dubai? We've got mansions right on the golf course, we've got villas, townhouses, and even apartments park facing. If you want to come in and see this beautiful community for yourself, get in touch with us and I'll see you soon.